Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. My name is Carlos, and if you're new here, we like to play with paint. And guess what? I just made that. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking like, ew, what the f is that? Well, guess what? It started out as something else, and I just did what I did, and I kept on adding paint. I just did what I did. If you're curious about, watching how this became, let me know, and I'll send you a link to that video. But we're gonna go ahead and pour over this canvas, and yeah, so again, I don't know what the technique is called. I think it's called that open top cup thingy. Well, we got our little open cup, whatever it's called, the open whatever, this thingy, and we're gonna go ahead and just plop that sucker right there in the middle. We got some white paint, we got some yellow paint, we got the primary colors. That's what I'm going for. These are mixed with Floetrol 2-to-1 with paint and with a little bit of water to thin them down. They are still a little thick, but not too thick. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that? Maybe not. Anyways, so I'm just gonna give this a quick little stir. Each one of these colors has 4 drops of the Artist Loft silicone, and yeah, we're gonna see what kind of magic we can create. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I am about to go ahead and start this pour. Let me know in the comment section if you think I need to slow down. Actually, just go ahead and cut that part out. You probably won't, because you're a sucker. And I'm talking to me because I'm the one that edits this stuff. Anyways, alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we are getting ready to pour in the whites. This table is not super leveled, so if I have to stop and readjust, forgive me for that. But we're going to go ahead and dump our white paint in here. A little bit of white paint just to get stuff started. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and add this entire cup. No, not all of it, not all of it. Don't get crazy, Bato. Don't get too crazy. Alright, so now we are going to add our colors. We're going to add a little bit of blue. Right there. Just a little, because I'm not sure if I have too much paint for this little canvas. I'm going to go ahead and add some red right there. And I don't know if you guys can see inside the cup. Those two colors are not touching at the moment. I'm going to go ahead and add the yellow right there. Now they're touching. They're saying, hey, Bo, move out of the way. I want to get in here. And just for stuff and giggles, we're going to add just a little bit of black. I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking like, whoa, no. Too late. You should have said something sooner. Just a little bit though. Alright, so now we are going to go ahead and dump more of the whites in there. We're going to dump the rest of this little cup. I got another little cup ready to go. So no worries right there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure most of you have already clicked away. So for those of you that are still watching, thank you. I know you guys are awesome and like to help and support the channel by watching some of these videos. Or you guys went ahead and fast forward it because you're like, dude, just shut up and pour. I get you too. I get you. It's okay. I understand completely, ladies. Go ahead and dump some more of that yellow in there. And go ahead and dump some of the white from way up top. See if we can't get some of that to get in there. Some of this blue. Now I know I got a lot of paint in there. It's alright though, we got a lot of canvas to cover. Ooh, wait, slow down, slow your roll. We're not ready yet. We are so not ready. This thing got away from me, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna have to sit here and babysit it. Like you ain't going nowheres. And my hand's probably in the way. But we've already got some kind of cool cells and some purple paint. Pour in the rest of this yellow. And then finish it off with all the whites. Just like that. So, since the previous pour was just made not too long ago, I'm not worried about pouring on the outside of the cup to help it flow, because I just got done with the other one like 5 minutes ago, so it is still fluid. You know what, just for fun, we're gonna give it a nice little swirl. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am about to release the cup and we're gonna see what happens. Whoa, wait, slow your roll, bro. and kind of drag it this way a little, since it all wants to come down that way. And I'm just gliding the cup over the layer that, I don't know if you initially saw, did not have anything on top of it. So I kind of helped it by covering it with a little bit of something. So we wouldn't have bold, bright colors in one little area, as you can see right here. I went ahead and just dragged the cup over it. So now we got a little bit of a, how do you say, some funkiness right there. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I am about to tilt some of this stuff around. Gently, ever so gently. See if we can make something pretty. Something pretty funky. If you do by chance watch the other video, you'll know that we just got hit with a crazy thunderstorm. It was raining like crazy, and I actually took a pause to go outside. Yes, because I like the rain. It's kind of cool. My dogs, not so much. So I'm going to fast forward this, so that way it doesn't become a super long video. Now we'll talk to you ladies in a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, I kind of want to keep some of this background. What do you think? For those two of you that are still watching. There's a lot of paint on this canvas. I'm going to try to see if I can get it to come down just a little bit. Un poquito, just a little bit. Okay, so apparently we covered the whole thing. This is definitely psychedelic, ladies and gentlemen. Definitely. And I'm sure as soon as we touch it, we're going to get a bunch of those little itty bitty microcells that we all know we love. I do. I like them. I love them. They're funky. Let's bring you in for a little close-up right now. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think about that? Is that pretty? Is that pretty? I think it's kind of pretty. Alright, so I'm going to lay it back down. So we do have a little area up in this corner. Where's my hand? Where's my hand? There, right here. That we left as the original, simply because I don't want to stretch out too much of this. So it is what it is. That's going to stay the way it is. But I am going to torch it. I am going to torch it. Should I bring you in for a close-up now? Or later? Later? Okay, you got it. I do want to kind of close off some of that corner, but you know what we're going to do? We're going to flip the script, ladies and gentlemen, as long as it doesn't slip out of my hands. This is going to be the slow tilt, so I'm going to fast forward again. Okay, bye. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and torch it one last time, and I'm going to bring you in for the close-up. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to start off here in the corner. As you can see, we got most definitely some blending of some of these colors. We definitely got some purples and some reds, some light colors, some dark colors. some little areas like right there. I don't know, you guys don't even know what I'm pointing at. You just look at it, take it in, look at it. And yeah, I like it because over here we got some bright blue and yellows, and then we move all the way down to here, and although we still got some blues and yellows, we definitely got a lot of them reds and purples all the way down there. I like how the yellow looks like it's like gold veins just trying to break through. Check out some of these edges where the paint's poured over. It's kind of dope, ladies and gentlemen. Come all the way down to this corner. Go slow, bro. Go slow. Some definite ghost-like patterns, I guess we want to call it that, where it's like, I don't know, let me show you, like right here, where the paint looks like it's starting to blend, but it's still got some like deep, I guess, areas, deeper colors. That didn't make sense. Anyways, then we got this weird funky little line going through the middle. Move back to improve focus. No, I don't want to. I zoom it in, but my fingers are covered in paint and I don't want to touch my screen, ladies and gentlemen. So apologies with that. But yeah. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for watching. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. My name is Carlos, and you know, if you want to see some more of this stuff, then hit that subscribe button. And if you like the video, give it a like, and let me know what you guys think. So yeah, sounds like it's still raining, so I might just go outside again. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.